how to maintain your Makita Impact Driver. So once you've finished using it, always take out the bit out the end here, and if there's any water or anything like that in here, dry it off with a cloth. And if you've been working in a dusty environment, either some compressed air sprayed in this part here or a hoover. Make sure you remove the battery when you store it, and make sure it's generally clean, and it should last for many years to come. You can try adding some lubricant here if you're gonna not be using it for a while, and behind the mechanism there put some lubricant, and your Makita Impact Driver should last you for many years. There shouldn't be any high-tech maintenance that you need to do, just some basic lubricant, keep it nice and dry, the dust out of the mechanism here, and it should last for many years to come. Hopefully them little tips help you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.